cool short video about content creation, no, not content, but image creation with ChatGPT. For all models, you can create images. It's quite interesting, especially because it's not screwing up too much with wording and letters, which is good. This being said, there are a few features that I think most of you are not aware of. And so let me show you that. So for instance, I've generated this cool profile picture for a GPT I've been building, which is basically a GPT that creates affiliate campaign. So if you want to sell your stuff and recruit affiliate, give them resources they can use and help them nail it and find customers for you so that they can get commissions, you use this Almozy affiliate GPT. And so this picture here is the profile picture of this GPT. What I can do, I can click on it. And now when I click on it, I have some other features. For instance, here, I can select a part of the picture and prompt for change. Let's try this. And the man is weeping. And then it will create a new image, basically trying to change the part of the image I've selected and according to the prompt I've given it. It's one feature. There is another one. If I click here, once again, I have access to the same interface here. And here you can see there is style. There are predetermined style, which means I can select style among these ones. Let's select glam. It creates a prompt that I can change if I like. And then I can execute this prompt and it should change the picture. So I cannot do it here because it's still generating the previous image change I made. We will try that. That's the generation of the same picture, but the guy is weeping now. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's wait for the full generation. And there you go. Version 1, version 2. Changing style. So let's do the 80s glam style. Well, these are the images. We kind of lost adherence to the original picture. So it's far from being perfect. But let's try another strategy. For instance, I will prompt it to change the style, keep the same composition, but change the style. And let's use a style that is quite near the original one into shonen manga. And there you go. Pretty nice. 2 versions. I will go for that one, by the way. So this was the 3 interesting features I wanted to show you related to image creation with ChatGPT. If you click on the image, you can select any part of the image and prompt for modification, or you can select preset styles, but that may change the image a lot. So maybe you need to adjust with the prompt, or you can prompt your own style and change the image, keeping the composition. Of course, I could just change the headline as well. I would select specifically the headline, and I would ask to change the headline with guillemets. Don't know how to say that in English. And I would put the new headlines and say change the headlines, keep the composition, etc. And it will do it. Of course, I could add a reference image and say, hey, like use the composition of this reference image, and I could play with this. So there are many stuff you can do here to generate a cool picture with ChatGPT image generation feature. That's it. Enjoy. Bye.